dear pupils back at home, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you for our social studies lesson today, whereby we are going to discuss about when the sun is overhead at different tropics. But before I just do that, I feel it is important to start by reminding you on what you are supposed to do in order to assist in curbing this deadly virus, the spread of this deadly virus, that is corona. That kindly remain at home. But if you are forced by circumstances to leave your home, then always put on your mask, avoid shaking people's hands, maintain social distance, wash your hands regularly using soap and water. If you have the sanitizers, the better. Avoid touching your eyes, your nose, your mouth using your hands, because you are told that this virus settles on different surfaces, and by touching these surfaces, perhaps maybe you touch a surface that was contaminated with this virus, and see by touching your eyes, your nose, your mouth, you are likely to infect yourself with this deadly virus. Above all, let us continue praying to our God, because I know that all answers lies with Him. Having said that, now allow me to talk about the topic of the day, whereby we are going to discuss about when the sun is overhead at different tropics. This is an area that gives hardship to learners, especially when they meet such a questions in an examination situation. So today, please, you will have a solution in this. Now, if you ask about when the sun is overhead at different tropics, it is very simple. First of all, you just draw your map, just like I drew this one of mine, and then indicate the tropics. Up here, we have the Tropic of Cancer, which is marked 23.5 degrees north, and we are always saying north because it is to the north of the equator. Then the equator is marked 0 degrees. It is at the middle, and it divides the earth into two equal parts. Then we have the Tropic of Capricorn, which is situated 23.5 degrees south over the equator. After you have drawn this, then you can always have your formula as SEMA. That is SEMA. SEMA is a Swahili word, and you start from the opposite. Don't start from this side. Start from the other side. That is on your right hand, and write SEMA. Then afterwards, you come here, you write Jude. Jude. We have somebody called Jude. This is a Christian name, Jude. So you just write SEMA Jude. SEMA Jude. That is the formula. And then from here, you write 21st. Here we have 22nd, here we have 23rd. This is the maximum. After reaching 23rd, that is the maximum. So we shall go back to where we started from, that is 21st. So if you ask when the sun is overhead at the equator, you say March 21st and September 23rd. These 2 months and these 2 dates are referred to as equinoxes. And during the time when the sun is overhead at the equator, day and night are always equal. Day and night are always equal. That's why these 2 months, when the sun is overhead at the equator, earns the name equinoxes from the word equal, which means day and night are always equal. Now, the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Cancer in the month of June 21st. In the month of June 21st. That is when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Cancer. Now, the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn in the month of December 22nd. In the month of December 22nd, that is when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn. Now, my dear pupils, these 2 months and these 2 days, when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, we refer to these 2 dates and months as solstices. So the sun solstices at the Tropic of Cancer in the month of June 21st. And the sun solstices at the Tropic of Capricorn in the month of December 22nd. I've told you that these 2 months and these 2 dates are referred to as solstices. Now, my dear pupils, I would like you also to note this, that when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Cancer, when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Cancer, that is during the month of June 21st, the day is normally longer than the night. And at the same time, down here, it happens the opposite, or vice versa. Down here at the Tropic of Capricorn, when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Cancer, this side, the night is longer than the day. So it happens so vice versa. And at the same time, when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Cancer, down here in the Cape province of South Africa, where we have the Mediterranean climate, rainfall is received and winter is also experienced. When the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Cancer, I've told you, my dear pupils, that down here the night is longer than the day, and at the same time in the Cape province of South Africa, rainfall is received and winter is also experienced. Now, when the sun comes and becomes overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn, the opposite happens again. That here now, the day tends to be longer than the night, and here the night tends to be longer than the night tends to be longer than the day. I want to repeat again, my dear pupils, that when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn, the day tends to be longer than the night. And at the same time, up here in the Tropic of Cancer, the night is longer than the day. And at the same time, when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn, up here in the Mediterranean climate here, in the countries of Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Egypt, receives rainfall, and at the same time, winter is experienced. So, my dear pupils, if you are asked, when the Cape province of South Africa experiences rainfall, then you must note that it experiences rainfall during the period or the season of winter, when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Cancer there, in the month of June, July, August. It must be at least 3 months. And I want to repeat again, my dear pupils, that in the Cape province of South Africa, rainfall is experienced and winter at the same time, when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Cancer. That is from the month of June, July, August. And you see, this is the northern part where we have the Mediterranean climate in the countries of Morocco, Algeria, Libya, and Egypt. Receives rainfall and winter when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn. That is during the month of December, January, February. That is when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn, and at the same time when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn, up here winter is being experienced and rainfall is being experienced. At the same time when the sun is overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn, here the night is longer than the day, and at the Tropic of Capricorn the day is longer than the night. With that, my dear pupils, we have reached at the end of the lesson, and I'm 100% sure that with this now you are good enough to go, and especially when you are asking questions about when the sun is overhead in different tropics. I would like you to take your time. You can replay this video as many times as you can in order to acquaint yourself with facts about when the sun is overhead at different tropics. I would also like to advise you that you can always visit my YouTube channel, and that is Peter Namasaka. Peter Namasaka. Subscribe. As you subscribe, you will always be getting notification anytime I post a new lesson. And in my YouTube, we have so many lessons that have been handled there. Lessons in mathematics, science, English, Kiswahili, CRE, social studies. So all subjects have been taken care of by very competent teachers. So please kindly subscribe, and subscription has no any charges on your side. Otherwise, I want to wish you well, continue working hard. Bye bye.